Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you what to do if you get a Google Meet invite but there's no link to join the meeting. Don't worry, it's easier to fix than you think. First of all, Google Meet invites without a link happen when the invite has created in Google Calendar but the meeting link wasn't generated properly or it's hidden in the email body. If you create an email, if you have scheduled the email from the Google Calendar, the link may not be created but the meeting link wasn't generated properly. If you create from the Google Calendar, the first thing to do is check the full email, scroll through the invite. Sometimes the meeting link is included as a button or under the join the meeting. If there's still no link, open the Google Calendar, find the event and click join with the Google Meet. You can also copy the link from there and share it with the participants. Another option is to ask the host to resend the link. If you are host, simply copy the link or you can share invite from clicking here and send to the respective person. Always make sure the invite is sent from the Google account that supports the Meet links, and that's it. Now you know how to handle a Google Meet invite with no link and join your meeting without any issues. If this helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.